Hey y'all, happy Easter! Happy Easter! I've got one more Easter recipe for y'all. And you know, Teresa is known for her little tricks. Oh no, I did what you did that one time. I didn't have the drawer. I didn't have the drawer underneath it.
That is the most aggravating thing ever.
Yes, because I'd already dumped one drawer full.
I forget it all the time.
And I forgot to put it back. So, I'm just going to boil these until they're tender. It's an easy, delicious recipe. It's got honey in it, lemon juice, lemon zest, and a little butter. So when these get tender, and you see how thin we cut them. In fact, the original recipe tells you to cook them, steam them, you know, in a like a double. Here, let me show you. It tells you to cook them over boiling water in something like this and just steam them. But rather than do that, I'd rather just go ahead and just cook them. They're so nice and thin, and it's not going to take but a minute. I think originally the recipe said it took like 7 minutes to steam them. And along with the other ingredients, I'm going to need about 1/4 cup of cilantro. So that's going to add a funky little flavor to it. And this is proportioned out for a pound of carrots. And I don't know that I have a pound, but we'll see. So, ooh, that cilantro smells so good. You know, look at that. I want to make sure all the water's out of them. So, I'm going to put them back on the stove, turn the eye back on, and make sure all the water is cooked out of them. So now I'm going to transfer them to a bowl. I'm going to cut my eye off before I stick my arm in the furnace. And I possibly could do that today. Okay. And so if you're having a crowd for Easter, you definitely need to double or triple this recipe. All right, so I'm going to drop in my butter while those carrots are hot. And let that melt. Those look so pretty. And I love using these fresh carrots. I just love using these, and these are all organic. So I know my family is getting the best that I'm capable of feeding them. Okie dokie. Come on, melt butter. All right, now I'm going to put the zest of 1 lemon. What did I do with the lemon juice? Oh, it's right there. See, I can't see the clear.
Oh, I'm scared.
I know. It will happen to you too, baby.
I know. Sooner than later.
Father Time waits for no man. Okay. So I'm going to do like 2 teaspoons of honey. Oh, I should have sprayed that, but I didn't. So now I have to dig. Okay. And now my 1 tablespoon, excuse me, I got to go wash the honey off. All right, so now all we have to do is stir in our cilantro. And it's the end. Just that easy. Peter Cottontail is going to be so happy. He's going to be so happy when he sees this on the table. Isn't that pretty? All right, so I'm going to taste it and determine if it needs any salt or pepper. I do think I'm going to put some coarse ground pepper on it. I can't remember if it even calls, if the recipe even calls for salt and pepper. I can't remember. All right, are y'all ready? I really love fresh carrots. It's so good. Personally, I don't think I'm going to salt these because you got your tartness from your lemon juice and the little sweetener from your honey. I think it's perfect just like it is. But that is up to you. Happy Easter. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.